So what we have going on here, guys, we have another YouTuber, small YouTuber, our good friend Dwayne. This is his M5. This car has a pretty long story on it. He's had it for a while. He's done a lot to it, a lot of carbon fiber stuff, an endless amount of stuff, really. He has the new fully custom lights on it. Philip, get in there and show you. Got wheels, brakes, like everything. Everything you can pretty much do to M5. Has race headers, this, that, everything. This is an SMG car. This is a black leather, black paint, triple black, and carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber dash, console, the whole works, right? We didn't clean it out. It's like Dwayne's stuff's still in here. Full out carbon fiber paddle shifters, not covers, and the real deal, right? So anyhow, Dwayne's been a viewer of the channel for quite a while, and he has sent this car to us to fix. And if you remember, a long time ago, he actually sent us paddle shifters for my Maroon X5, or M5, Jesus, M5. All the dining stuff, carbon fiber plenums, and like the whole works, right? Everything you could do. Air boxes, wiper cowling, all that stuff. And he got a hold of me here a while back. This car, he had rod bearings done in California, obviously. And he didn't drive it too long after that, and it threw a rod. So I was telling him, I said, look, man, when people do rod bearings, it all depends on the person putting them in, depends on what products you use. If you use the factory rod bolts, there's a lot of room for error. If you use king bearings, I don't like using king bearings, I like using ACL. Or we have a certain set amount of stuff we like using, right? And then if you do all that, it still could grenade the Vanos pump. So we'll find out coming up here what's happened to this car. What we're gonna do with this car is we're going to immediately order a different engine, a different used engine. We could put on the engine stand. We could do all the rod bearings, bolts, Vanos line stuff, check the pump out, do everything on the engine stand. And then once we have that new engine completed, we'll just simply set the engine transmission out of the bottom of this, assemble the new one to the transmission, and put it back in. We'll look at its clutch while we're there. We'll look at everything like that. Unfortunately, we can't do anything with this until we get the M6 off the lift. We're still waiting on the Vanos pump for that. But this will be the next project. A lot of you are like, what about the Figaro? What about the white M5? We just got to do one thing at a time. But this took priority. This came in, and he needs it done, needs it finished. And we want to get it done for him. We want to get it finished so he could drive it and it's not here. And then we go back to working on the other stuff. You saw yesterday's video about the Porsche. The Porsche doesn't really need anything at all. A little bit of maintenance stuff, spark plugs, air filter, and that's really it. And that's one reason why I reached out and picked that car up now. But yeah, so this will be the next one coming up on the channel. We'll put a link in the description for Dwayne's channel. It's Dwayne Moore, and if you go check him out, he does some videos, a lot of shorts. Him and his girlfriend Sally, really, really nice lady. And you know, Dwayne been nothing but good to us, very comical guy, and couldn't ask for a better person than that dude. So enough of that. Stay tuned. We'll be back very soon with the videos on the M6 first, and then on this, and then on everything. We have other cars coming too. So we'll be back.